The Wales we love, our countryside, our coastline, our communities, deserves protection not just for today, but for the future too. And we've already delivered. We banned single-use plastics and disposable vapes, and Wales is now the second best recycling nation in the world. We're investing £150 million in nature recovery and creating a national forest stretching the whole length of Wales. We've improved air quality in our towns, and we've strengthened flood protection to keep our homes and our businesses safe. And we're backing farmers through a new sustainable farming scheme and investing £220 million to make coal tips safer. But we're going further. A new Clean Water Act will raise standards and crack down on pollution in our rivers and our seas. We're strengthening the law on fly tipping too, so those who dump will face real consequences. Cleaner rivers, safer communities and a stronger, greener Wales. That's what Welsh Labour will deliver.